G'day guys, it's Rob from TAT. Just want to share one that we've got in today. We've got a 2003 BA Falcon and it's come in for an engine light on and surging at times. So I'm going to connect it up to launch, jump in the car and I'll show you what codes we get and we'll go from there. So here we are, key on inside the car. These are the codes in the system. We have no engine light at the moment, but we have these codes stored: 1340, 1381, 1386 and 1388. So we're just going to jump over on TAT, put the code in, see if we get any repair solutions or any solved technical assistance cases, any information at all. We'll start there first and we'll go from there. All right, we're on the TAT website right now. So we just put in P1340 Falcon. As you can see, we've got multiple repair solutions here. So I've had a look through them all and they all involve the replacement of the exhaust camshaft position sensor. So it seems to be a common problem. There's a few there, and here is the article from Marty in one of the TAT magazines. And as you can see here, 1340, 1381, 1386. So let's go down and have a look at the exhaust cam sensor and see what we see. So I don't know if you can see that very well, but as you can see there, we have a very oily area, and we just looked underneath. I've got the mirror there, but I don't think you can see it very well. I might just unplug it in a sec, but at the moment, it looks like that hose clamp with this new heater hose, someone fitted and put it in the wrong spot, and natural engine vibration has caused it to rub through. I might just pop it off. I'll unplug it and I'll show you a little bit closer. Hopefully you can see that a little bit better. But as you can see, we do have that wire that's rubbed through, but also we have a connector that's full of oil. So it's going to get a new cam position sensor. We're going to repair this wiring, clear the codes, make sure it's all okay, and we'll get it back to the customer. So there you go guys, that's a relatively simple one, but it's not about that, it's about the diagnostic process that we take. The first thing we did was put the code into TAT and it pointed us in the right direction. That allowed us to do our visual inspection. And we found the cause was the heater hose fitted with the incorrectly routed hose clamp, which allowed it to actually rub in the wrong spot. So that's another important lesson. We've got to make sure we're fitting these hose clamps correctly and not in the path of anything that's going to cause any damage. So I guess that's another example of how the repair solutions can obviously help us out or point us in the right direction. So it's another advantage of being on TAT, along with multiple other benefits. So if you want to check it out, jump on tat.net.au. Thanks and see you next time.